Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I hold my yarn while I crochet. So I'm just using some acrylic yarn and my 6mm hook. Okay, so when I first started crocheting, I didn't know how to hold the yarn and I ended up getting carpal tunnel syndrome in both hands. So once you are ready to start, you've got your slip knot and you're ready to start crocheting, the way I hold it is I put the yarn between my pinky and my ring finger, bring it back round, and then go past these two here and between these two fingers and over. Okay, and then I can start crocheting. There's a lot of different ways you can hold your yarn. It just depends what feels comfortable, but I found that this way I didn't have any more pain because I was just holding it like that or like that. Okay, so I put it between my ring finger and my pinky, bring it all the way back around past the two middle fingers and between these two and over the top of that one. Okay, and then the yarn just passes over this one and over that one. Okay, let me know in the comments below if this is helpful. Is this the way you hold your yarn? You know, some people wrap this around again. All right, I'll leave a link in the description to my beginners playlist. Okay. Okay, so once more, goes between there, past those two fingers and over the top of that one. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.